Alright, hello everyone. I'm actually just doing this to test my new Logitech H390 headset for the sound. I wasn't too pleased with the sound on my other, it was just the microphone and my webcam that I used. I wasn't pleased with it, so I got this headset, which was pretty much the only thing locally available. And I don't know about it yet. I mean, it's kind of weird wearing a headset. I'm not used to it, but we'll see how it works out. If you're unaware, this is Need for Speed World here, where I'm not sure there's any point other than to drive around really, really fast. So, and my frame rates are really, really bad right now for some weird reason. So yeah, what can we talk about? I haven't played this game too much, really. I've played it a few times. I don't think I've ever posted a video of it yet, but oh, that's gonna hurt. Yeah, I guess it's kind of, whoa, what the hell is that? Is that Lag City, or what is that, water, or? Oh my god, the frame rates are terrible, and I have no idea what I'm driving on right now. It looks like water. I think we're having game issues. I don't know if you guys can see this, or if it's going to show up in the end video, but wow, this is terrible. I don't quite get it, because normally this game works very, very well on this computer without these lag problems, but as you saw, or hopefully you saw, not so much today. Interesting. I might not even be posting this. It depends on how it sounds, really. You know, like I said, this is just to test my new headset. The sound is great in the headset. I don't know how the microphone sound is going to come out. Oh my god, that is terrible. I'm going to keep going this way. Yeah, I don't know if there was an update or something, but this gameplay is absolutely terrible. The way it's lagging like this is not normal. Right there, look at that. It's frozen. God, I hope you guys can see that, otherwise I'm gonna sound like an idiot. Ouch. Ay, ay, ay. And look, there's another player. Gosh, I probably should be... Oh, hello. I probably should be talking to test this headset, but I don't know what to say. Okay, there we go. I don't know what to really talk about. Have you guys played this game? It's I'm not 100% sure what the moral of the game is, or what the whole point of it is, other than just to drive around really, really fast anywhere you want to go and run through ghost cars like that. But oh, or not ghost cars like that one. But it's kind of a fun game when you want to take a load off and drive really, 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 really fast. 121 miles an hour, 23 miles an hour down the highway. Anyway, guys, I'm going to let you guys go now. I hope you enjoyed. I might not even post this. I don't know. Like I said, it was just to test the sound on the new headset, and yeah, good times. See you later, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the video.